Welcome back. Today we're going to learn how to fold an origami cat designed by Toshie Takahama. This is the Heap Art Origami Show. I'm your host, Wilson Lee. If you've been following my channel, you'll notice that I've been going through an origami short boom lately. I've been making a lot of origami shorts, which are 1 minute long or less than 1 minute long and in a vertical format. But this magnificent piece is one of those pieces that I just can't summarize under 1 minute. It's one of the pieces that if I summarize under 1 minute, I won't be able to make a tutorial that's acceptable for you to watch. So I decided to make a full-on tutorial for this one. Tell me, leave me a comment if you like my origami shorts or do you like these full-on tutorials more. Here at Heap Art, we're trying to help you practice origami on a regular basis. Every week, I'm going to choose out a minimum of 2 origami models and show you how to fold them. One of them from my 100 exotic paper airplane challenge, and the other, an origami model that's never seen before on my channel, like today. And today, we're going to feature the Origami Cat by Toshie Takahama. Enjoy! Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Origami Cat designed by Toshie Takahama. If possible, please help me out by subscribing to my channel and sharing my video with your friends. If you have an extra few minutes, please check out a few more of my videos. If you like the video, please remember to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel, and I'll be delivering more videos like this every single week. And once again, thank you for watching, and see you next time.